Hi there. Have you ever wondered why it is whenever women gather in groups of two or more, we share our life stories, even if we've just recently met? Why is that? Well, I believe it's because hearing one woman's story is a powerful spark. It inspires reflection on our own woman life as mother, daughter, granddaughter, grandmother, sister, and partner. Time and time again, I've witnessed women share stories, even if it's only in the privacy of that shared gathered circle. Hi, I'm Gail Roddy, and I'm passionate about connecting women of all ages in intergenerational conversations. I'm passionate about women living their wellspring of life in relationship with self as well as with one another. Why am I passionate about this? Why is this so important? Well, I'll tell you. The young women wish to hear our stories of perseverance. We are here, especially as elders. We are still here. And it doesn't matter from girlhood to elderhood. As women, we pass through similar stages, and we need to share these stories with the young ones, and they want to hear them. I'm calling all women to the well. We have stories to share. I invite you to join me at gailroddy.com.